Hey everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. Today's tutorial is a quick one, but trust me, it's super helpful. If your music keeps stopping every time your laptop screen turns off, don't worry, we're going to fix that right now. Let's start slowly. First, go ahead and open your Windows 11 settings. Just click the Start menu, take a moment, and choose Settings. Once you're in, head over to the System tab, and right there you'll see an option called Power and Battery. Go ahead and click on it. Now scroll down gently until you find something labeled Screen, Sleep, and Hibernate Timeouts. Click on it to open up the full list of options. You'll see settings for when your laptop should turn off the screen and when it should go to sleep, both while you're on battery and while you're plugged in. To keep your music playing, your laptop must not enter sleep mode. So if you're plugged in, set the sleep option to never. That way, no matter what you're doing, your audio won't suddenly pause. And if you're running on battery, you can adjust the screen timeout to something longer instead of letting it turn off immediately. I'm setting mine to 2 hours. That gives me plenty of time to get back to my laptop, and you can choose whatever works best for you. And just like that, you're done. Your music will keep playing smoothly, without interruptions, even when your screen turns off. Thanks so much for watching this quick tutorial on Zimist Coded. If it helped you out, don't forget to hit subscribe for more simple tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.